Hello everyone, I'm Shanad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'll be talking about the SQL crash course which I'll be launching in this channel. And in this video, I'll be talking about what will I teach in this course and what are the things that you will need in this course. That is the IDEs or the backend as a service which we'll be using, and what are the outcomes you'll be getting from this course. So let's discuss it one by one. So this is these are the topics which I'll be talking about. These are the rough topics and finalized one, and maybe I can add a few topics more at the end if I feel so, and I can do some basic changes here and there, but the main thing remains the same. And each topic will be taught and each video link will be present in this Notion website. So I'll also give this link in the description so that you can cope up with it, so don't worry about that. So first, you can see that I'll be talking about what it is databases in this video, as well as I'll be talking about how to set up PostgreSQL, as well as how to install and where to install DataGrip. So I'll be talking about that, and after that we'll be going through how to create tables and all the stuff, what are data types in SQL and all the stuff, what are constants, what are primary keys, what are foreign keys. We will be understanding in depth. Then after that we'll be understanding the clause operator, that is where and when, where and all the stuff like I like, that is, and the most important thing, that how to do pagination thing like limit, offset and fetch. Will be looking into this. Also we'll be looking into the most important topic, that is inner join and outer join. These are the most two important topics which you'll be getting questions in your interviews. So this is the most important thing. So we'll be doing it we'll do it like a pro, and then I'll be also telling you what are UUIDs and how to generate that and how to use that. So don't worry about anything. I'll be going very slow through this course, and I'll be uploading the video into in an alternate days like Monday, then Wednesday and Friday. So these are the videos, in these days the videos will be out, and that's it. And then I'll be next I'll be moving on to the ID that we'll be using. So we'll be using DataGrip. So DataGrip is a good product by JetBrains. You can see you can connect your database with it, and you can just query and can get the results. It's pretty straight, and as you can see that it is used by many companies like Google, Booking.com, Ubisoft and all the stuff. So it's pretty much great, and DataGrip has support for these many databases, so you can see that those are pretty great. And also you can download your DataGrip in your system. Mine is Mac, so that's why I'll be using .dmg extension. If you're on Windows, then use .exe, or which are on Apple, you can use that tar.gz file to download it and good to go. So basically you just have to download it, and if you have a GitHub Pro account, then you can just go through the Pro pack and just avail the free offer, and you can just download it. After downloading it, you can install it. In Windows it is pretty much simple. You can just next, so it's getting installed. And then in Windows, in Mac also, it is pretty much simple. It is drag and drop into the application folder, it is done. So this is the thing. If you open DataGrip, you will be seeing this. So let's click on to the new project, and let's create a new project there. So I'll be clicking on new project, and this dialog box appears that enter new project name. So मैं यहाँ पे एक project name डालूँगा, that is SQL crash course YouTube, and then I'll hit OK. After hitting OK, this tab will appear. I will drag this file into here so that it will be looking easy to me. After this, I'll be actually connecting my database into DataGrip. So I'll be clicking the database explorer, and then I'll be clicking on the plus sign, and I'll be connecting my database. But before that, you can say that sign, then where can you get the database, how will you set up and all this stuff. So don't worry, Supabase is with us. So here you can see this is Supabase. let me go into their superbase.com website. That is the landing page. So Superbase is actually the open source alternative of Firebase. Superbase is a backend as a service. You can create your backend in less than 2 minutes and start your projects with features like Postgres, database, authentication, you can build instant APIs, then you can have real-time subscriptions, and you can have storage as well. So these are things which we have in Superbase, so don't worry about that. And also, if you want to see a detailed video or a descriptive video on Superbase, then I will give a link in the description. You can go and check out my video. So this is the thing, and you can go through the website, and it is pretty much good, and they are actually pretty much actively like developing this product, and they are quite active on Twitter. And yeah, so this is the thing. And after that, if you are new, then you have to sign up and all this stuff through GitHub, and all the stuff will be done. And then after you sign up and all the stuff, you will be required to start your project. So you'll be clicking on start your project, the green button you can see, and then we'll be clicking on start your project. After that, you'll be clicking your organization name. After that, you'll be giving your name, that SQL crash course YouTube, right? And then you need to type a password for your database. So it should be pretty much strong enough. So I am thinking of such a password like Postgres demo 123 @ So this is the password which I am thinking, right? So I will be writing this in the tab Postgres demo 123 @ So this is the password basically. So let me go in this tab and let me paste this. Cool. So now I'll be choosing the region as South Asia, that is Mumbai, because it is very much closer to me. And then I'll hit on click on project. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes to, not 2 to 3 minutes, it will just take 1 to 2 minutes to actually just set up your project. So just hold on with me, and after that we'll be connecting our database to our Postgres. So I am pretty much excited for it. You can see that a green loader is actually loading, and you can see that it's setting up project. So it is setting up. So now you can also these are the project API keys. You can see there's a project configuration, the JWT secret and all stuff. You can go through it. It's not that important in this video, but if you want me to make Superbase, then yeah, I'll be making videos on Superbase. Then I'll be making videos on Superbase separately. But before that, I'll be completing this SQL crash course. So yeah, so the project is setting up. Let's wait for some time. Hopefully I will just fast forward this part. So you can see the project is been set up, and now I'll be going into the settings tab to actually get a hold of many things. You can see wait one sec. Yeah, it's not an authentication though. Let me check. Let me click on database. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. After clicking on databases, you can go you can scroll down a little bit, and then you can see all of your things here. Then what you have to do, you just have to and then let's jump into the data grip and see what to do. Then you just have to click the database explorer. Then you have to click on new button. After clicking on new button, click on data source, and after that data source, you can head on to PostgreSQL. After that, after clicking on PostgreSQL, a dialog box will appear like this, and after that you can just copy and paste things which you want to change here. That is the host name you have to change. Then user, I'll be using Postgres as my user, and then the password which I have kept here, I'll be copying that and just paste it, and then you can save it forever. And this is the Postgres, the database name is Postgres. Let's recheck it. Yeah, the database name is Postgres, and the JDBC link is actually created, so you don't have to worry. Then you have to hit on test connection, just to make sure that everything is working properly. So you can see that SSL is enabled, the ping is 70 ms and it is succeeded. So we have a green signal. After that you will be hitting click on apply, then you will be clicking on OK. After that it is ready. And then these are the default SQL dialect. You can set PostgreSQL as default dialect because I deal with Postgres mostly, so I'll be using this, so nothing to worry about that. So this is the basic thing which is there. We will I'll be writing queries here, and it will be reflecting in the database here. So I'll show you guys that how things are being done. So I'll be basically creating a basic table and will show it to you guys that how it is done. So basically I will write here create table. Don't worry about stuff that what is happening and what is not, because I'll be explaining to you guys in the next videos that we will be going one by one. Just I'm showing it to you that how it is done, so don't worry. I'm just setting up ID with which data type is int, and we are setting that it can't be null. So then I'll be hitting on comma, then I'll be writing name, and then I'll be giving varchar, and then after that I'll be also writing not null. After that we'll be executing this command, and after doing that, it is saying that it is completed and it is connected as well. So let's jump into the text editor, sorry, the table editor, and you can see the table is created with ID as well as name. So we'll be inserting rows, and also in this course the benefit you will be getting that you will be also learning Supabase as well. So I'll be giving ID as 1 and then name as sign, for example, and then I'll be saving it. Then I'll be inserting another record, that is 2, and then I'll be giving a name of Rohit, who is my friend, one of my friends, so I'll be giving his name here. After that I'll be giving name of my another friend, which is Ashwin, and then I'll be giving name of my another friend, that is Gaurav. So let's save it. So these are the people which name are being created in this table. After that I'll be hitting another writing another SQL query to actually get this get the data. So I'm selecting select star from users. So after writing that, let me execute it, and you can see that these are the things which are there. I hope you can see my screen. Let me just increase my font size, it's pretty small. $16 is not good, 18 is, I guess, cool. 1.1 is cool. JetBrains Mono is actually pretty good. So let's apply, and you can see that I've run this cell and I'm getting this output. So this is the basic thing I've shown it to you, and in the later videos we'll be discussing all these topics, so don't worry. So this is the topic which I covered today, and so yeah, now I'll be talking about a very interesting thing to you guys, that Newton School is offering a full stack development course which you can avail easily from their website by giving an aptitude test. After getting through the aptitude test, the team will contact you and give you the course. After doing that course, you don't while doing the course, you don't have to pay any money before getting the course. You just have to pay the money if you get a job between 5 lakhs to 40 lakhs, and then you can repay the money. So it's pretty much cool, and the course is designed in such a way that people can easily get a good amount of job, and also companies like Zomato and all of the stuff are hiring through Newton School, so you can also get a referral maybe and all the stuff, and you will also be getting some mock interviews and all the stuff. So I hope that you guys will check the thing out, and the link is in the description. And So yeah, this much for this video, and I hope we'll be meeting the day after tomorrow. So by the time, like, let's learn SQL in a fun way. So yeah, if you really like the content of this channel, then subscribe this channel as well as like the video. So let's meet in the next one. Bye bye.